Hello, friends. We welcome you to the Legal Breeze. Today, we would like to talk something about looks very green, and in fact, it is really green. What is that? It is called green hydrogen. Maybe in the future, we may also speak about green oxygen. A time may also come. One may wonder, what is this green hydrogen? Is there any other hydrogen like black, yellow, blue, something like that? The answer is yes. Then why we need to speak about this? What is the context? That is what we all should understand. Green hydrogen is used as a fuel, alternate fuel, so as to replace this existing fossil based fuel because it is emitting carbon, CFC, and other harmful gases. So we need to reduce the carbon emission and we need to achieve the Paris target. So therefore, every country is doing its best to find out certain alternate energy. So green hydrogen is one among such an energy. So why it is called green? And as I have said, is there anything called black or something like that? Yes, it is there. So how it is being classified? How the color is given to that? It is done on two bases. One, the method of extracting the hydrogen, the source from which it is getting extracted, and the energy which is used in extracting this hydrogen is also responsible for terming this green, blue, something like that. For example, when you are able to extract the hydrogen from the LPG, what is that? This hydrocarbons, then it is called black hydrogen. For the simple reason, after extracting this hydrogen, you have to emit the carbon. So that is the problem. And the energy which is used to extract is also responsible. You can also extract hydrogen from the nuclear material, example uranium, plutonium, something like that. So there are many sources from which hydrogen can be extracted. So what is green hydrogen then? This is very important. This, you all know, water is containing hydrogen plus oxygen. So we can easily extract hydrogen from the water. And what is the energy used in extracting this hydrogen? Solar energy. So both are green, both are not harming the environment, both are conducive to the environment, both are protecting and promoting the environment, both are contributing reduction of the carbon emission. There is nothing called carbon is involved here. So therefore it is called green hydrogen. What is that Government of India is doing all about it? Government of India has taken number of steps to improve the research and development capabilities in this particular field. They have already launched a mission called National Hydrogen Mission way back in 2017. We have a green hydrogen policy and law which has also been approved by the cabinet. So there are many schemes are going on. Even there is a proposal to run a train exclusively based on green hydrogen. The train will be running between Sonipat and Jillo. So these are the few examples, but the cost of extracting the hydrogen is very high, and not only that, the storage, because it has to be kept in a very, very cold condition, like minus 450 to 500 or 600 degrees Celsius, something like that. That is why it is getting delayed, but still people are exploring these options. So we need to get better technology for storing, extracting, and for maintaining and distribution, all these things. We hope many countries are doing research in this field. Sooner we can get the good results. So therefore, this planet can be saved from the carbon emission. We hope such a day comes sooner rather than later. God bless you all. Jai Hind.